Hi friends, I'm Swapnali and that's Rishi. Together we are called Hi. We are musicians, we are performing artists. Music makes us happy and music is our biggest high.
Yes, and through this podcast, we would love to take you through the journey of creating these beautiful songs. What happens basically behind the music making part, the video shooting part. What goes in ideating these songs and what actually happens truly behind the surface. So,
First, I think let's start with Hum Mile.
yes.
हम मिले मिल गया
So Rishi, आप पहले ये बताओ ना कि हम मिले की ट्यून आपको कैसे आई?
Okay. So this one's a very interesting story. Hum Mile was originally conceived by me when a filmmaker friend of mine, had approached me and he wanted to make a film and he was pitching rather for a film. And he said, Rishi, I want you to write a beautiful romantic love song. It's got to be the song of the decade and this and that, all the gyan that he had given me. So I said, okay, fine. Let's compose something, iconic, which is going to be remembered and kind of stays in your head type melody. So I started working on the melody, and Hum Mile came basically, and his film didn't come. so, so the melody actually stayed with me, and the whole idea. I mean, like at least the major part of the idea was with me, and that kind of was there in the hard drive somewhere. And when we started High, we are like, hey, we've got this really cool song.
Correct. Our
And
first song, Arzu, was little peppy and dance and groovy number.
Correct.
So we said, ki, okay, the second song should be like
Yes.
peaceful, soulful, romantic.
Yes.
And Hum Mile was
Yes,
the
totally,
song.
totally. So that's yeah. Hence, then we came on the idea that we gotta do Hum Mile because we always wanted to do a romantic song. There, I feel that there are three kinds of emotions. This is my personal take.
Like
That there are-
universal emotions.
Yeah.
Huh.
One is love. The second is heartbreak, and and the third is dance. Like whenever you guys are really happy and you want to be entertained, so you move towards something that's a little
Yeah,
more
yeah,
dancey.
like these three kind of emotions have the largest appeal.
Yes, yes,
So basically, when you were creating that tune, you
Right.
had certain words in your mind, right? Like hum mile, sara ye jahan, tere jaisa and tere jaisa. The first words
हाँ, yes.
that came to you, I think you kept it.
हाँ, तो
And our lyricist Divyansh Raj,
right.
then later he came into the picture and then he completed.
Yes. So basically, from what I recall, that I had, cracked the chorus line, which was "Hum Mile," the main hook line basically, and that kind of stayed inside the song because I was like, कि यार ये line बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, गाने में भी अच्छी लग रही है और वह सुनने में भी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो I want to keep this only.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're right. When Divyansh came, then I was like, "Okay, man, we need to write around this idea because I don't want to change the core of this song.
Correct.
Uh,
Like
what-
everyone who has heard this song, they said that तुमसे कह दिया तुमसे
correct.
हो गया. So that is the feel
Yes,
कि पूरा मुखड़ा होने के बाद जब इस पर आते हैं
right.
तो
right.
इसके साथ इन दो लाइंस के साथ इमीडिएट कनेक्ट बनता है.
तुमसे कह दिया तुमसे हो गया
And also, I feel कि जो bridge का portion है, that is also a very interesting portion in the song.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
maybe sometimes we don't hear the nuances in the song. We only hear the song on the surface, but it's got a lot of chordal changes, which are happening, which are very beautiful, and also has a nylon string guitar, which I don't know. Maybe post this podcast, you might pay a little attention to. that it's got this really beautiful, very dreamy kind of Spanish.
So before
nylon
the
string.
Asma, the bridge line Asma मेरा हुआ, उसके पहले जो आप बजा रहे हो.
नहीं, नसीब.
Oh, sorry.
हाँ, नसीब वाला part.
हम नसीब से एक दूसरे
Basically, that is the part which has that that guitar part, and the chordal change is very beautiful. It's not something just off the book. It is something that took me a while to write also, because it was like I want to explore a little more. This is not enough for the song, because having such a beautiful chorus, the beauty can only be defined once you have some tension happening before the release. So that tension had to be really right in a lot of ways, and I feel that that bridge part came out so beautifully, because that created the right tension for the chorus to drop.
Correct.
Yes.
True, so true.
Yes.
And actually, I would also like to tell you how the shooting of Hum Mile happened, because it's like a beautiful journey.
Yes.
4 unique locations.
Yes.
उसमें से एक्चुअली जो पहले 2 लोकेशंस हैं, हमारा डायरेक्टर है आकिब, उसने एक उत्तराखंड में अल्मोड़ा के पास एक गुलदार वैली करके शॉर्टलिस्ट की थी जगह. एंड
Very scary place, guys. Watch out, there are a lot of leopards there, by the way.
true, it's a restaurant.
Hence the name Guldar Valley.
Yeah, it's a restaurant facing that valley,
Yes.
where most of the leopards come.
Yes.
So हम जिस सीजन में गए थे तब नहीं थे, but
हम जिस दिन गए थे उस दिन नहीं थे, rather. Let me correct her.
okay.
The day that we went, they had sighted a leopard just a day before that.
अच्छा, हाँ, okay,
So
okay.
they were expecting a leopard that day also, and they were like, "Okay, there's a leopard that's coming and sitting on that ledge." He was showing us the ledge also. कि यहाँ पे
Oh,
आके
yeah, right,
बैठता
right,
है.
that ऊपर.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आके बैठ रहा है वो and all that. So I was like, okay, like we are pretty close to that location,
But actually, you know what? इतना पानी और इतना जो पूरा that
गर्मी का भी
valley,
time था. Tigers
valley.
get thirsty.
Correct. But basically, what we thoroughly enjoyed is not just shooting, through
Right.
that little, इतना ज़्यादा पानी नहीं था,
Yes.
but through that river and walking on those stones, जिसको बिल्कुल acupuncture मिल रहा था हमें, natural
it
acupuncture.
was natural acupressure happening. It was very, how can I express it? It was painful yet very pleasant at the same time.
Correct.
The whole feeling was like it was hurting the feet, yet I think it was doing something right, that you were feeling हाँ थोड़ा और
चलेगा,
चलता
थोड़ा
हूँ.
और चलता हूँ, थोड़ा और
You know.
चलता हूँ. एंड जरा कुछ शॉट्स के बाद हम बस पानी में पाँव डाल के बैठ रहे थे. सो वी डिसाइडेड
Right.
कि ओके, लेट आवर क्लोथ्स बी वेट, दैट्स
Yes.
हाउ वी विल शूट, एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सडनली गेट ड्राई, सडनली गेट वेट. सो
Yes.
वी केप्ट
Yes.
इट एट एज नेचुरल एज पॉसिबल.
Yes.
अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग वाज, इसी गुलदार वैली में एक पत्थर हमें ऐसा मिला जिसको देखकर आई फेल्ट कि ओके हमारा बिगिनिंग शॉट ऐसा होना चाहिए कि पूरा द्रोण
Yes.
हम इस पत्थर पर लेट जाते हैं,
Yes.
एंड पूरा द्रोण हमें ऐसे सर्कुलर वे में
That was a great
कैप्चर
idea.
करता
That was a
है.
great idea.
एंड आवर द्रोण
Yes.
गाय दिव्यांशु,
He got super excited.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
wanted to fly up with the drone. Literally. He's like, he started jumping at the
Correct.
idea. He's like, man, what a fantastic idea. But yeah, it was really nice. I enjoyed that.
करेक्ट.
From the time where we laid down, and it felt nice just laying down.
करेक्ट.
Because usually what happens is like you are at these shoots and everything is moving and you gotta constantly be
Yeah.
this and that.
And directors instructions happening,
हाँ,
and
कि
sometimes
यार ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो,
यहाँ
you know.
देखो, वहाँ देखो, and sometimes
This
like,
was the best shot where you just had to lay down and
Correct.
do nothing, and
बस
I'm like,
सो
yeah, this
जाओ,
is perfect.
सो जाओ. We were looking forward to that shot. Anyways, so on the way to Guldar Valley,
Right.
near one Cant army area,
हाँ, we were near the Cant area.
we
Right.
had seen one nice little forest on the hills.
Yes.
So हमने
I
suddenly
had spotted that forest while going up.
up. So suddenly
Yes.
we decide कि okay, आते वक्त जो हमारा थर्ड लोकेशन पक्का था उससे पहले हम
Correct.
यहाँ शूट करेंगे.
करेक्ट.
अच्छा, फिर उसका अलग ही कुछ वातावरण था बिकॉज वहाँ बारिश हो भी रही थी और नहीं भी हो रही थी.
हाँ, yes, it
And,
was raining. Hence the umbrella.
Hence
you can
the
see,
umbrella.
You can see in the video.
करेक्ट. एंड बेसिकली हमारी वो मिनी पिकनिक जैसी आइडिया थी. वैसे
right,
हमारी गाड़ी
right,
में
right.
टिडबिट स्नैक्स कुछ ना कुछ रहते ही हैं.
Yeah.
तो मैं पिकनिक के आइडिया
So we decided कि we'll unfold
वही-
the picnic table there only and take some shots of it. You
तो
know?
वाइट चादर
Yeah.
हमने वही लगा दी, उसी पर ही
Yes.
बैठ गए, वही
Yes.
सब कुछ. बट इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज
Yes, yes,
वॉकिंग थ्रू
absolutely.
दोज ट्रीज
Absolutely.
एंड मजा आया, मतलब वहाँ चलते हुए बैठते
That was
हुए.
a really nice location. In
Yeah.
fact, you know, the more we went inside that
Yeah, yeah,
location,
yeah.
we realized ke, acha, luckily there were no people also that
करेक्ट
day.
करेक्ट. हाँ,
So we had no one there. We were just the only. There was a couple there, I think,
करेक्ट.
who was sitting prior to us, and they saw us, so they obviously were like, no, we can't make out here, so we need to go. We need to.
So they almost
leave.
ran away.
There's a whole gang
And
of
there's
these
camera
guys.
also.
Yes.
So you know they were like, नहीं,
So,
नहीं,
so
यहाँ नहीं है.
those guys left the place.
हाँ.
I mean, obviously, seeing this whole arsenal come up, and
And then
yeah.
after wrapping up this portion, we also left.
Right.
Then we were supposed to reach our predestined fourth location, but उसके पहले आया third location because वहाँ एक superb सा bridge था.
Yes.
We said okay, actually बहुत थक गए थे. तो 3 ऐसे ब्रिजेस हमारे ऑन द वे हमें मिले, बट हमने वो ब्रिज चुना जिसमें ज़्यादा नीचे उतरना नहीं था. Quickly we could reach the bridge.
Yeah, we were very tired.
We
That
were very
day
tired.
was like, because doing the shoot throughout, like Guldar Valley shoot, and then
The hill.
then the hill. So we were kind of like done, and we were done, but obviously our director Akib was not done with us. So he was like, no,
No,
this
and
is,
he was so sincere. He's like, no, the song has so much feel to it
हाँ.
कि हम जितने अलग-अलग locations पे ये mood और vibe continue करेंगे.
No, he kept
know,
inspiring us.
Yeah.
He was very motivating, and I think it was only through his motivation that I did the other 2 locations.
Correct.
Otherwise, I was
हमारा
kind
तो
of
हो
like
गया
कि
था.
मेरा हो गया, you know. But he's a very inspiring
Yeah.
guy, you know, to be around, and he
And always
हाँ.
smiling, pleasant. बाप रे, उसमें भयंकर patience है.
हाँ, and he has, and yes, I
Because
must say
I
this on
keep
camera.
fidgeting a lot.
कि
I
like,
keep.
हाँ, he has a lot of patience,
बाप रे.
and you know, I think the one good thing which I really like about Akib is, till he gets what he wants,
हाँ.
he will not stop. So you know, it's really nice when a director knows what he wants
Correct.
out of you.
Yeah.
I mean, even though like it's a simple music video, but it's a nice effort,
हाँ.
and I appreciate
Yeah.
those
And हर
details.
लोकेशन का
Yes.
एक बेस्ट एंगल, बेस्ट, जैसे
Yes.
यहाँ ब्रिज पे भी आप देखिए, इसमें एक शॉट है पूरा ड्रोन का जिसमें हम दोनों तरफ से बीच में चलते हुए आ रहे हैं. सो इट वाज
Correct.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि उसकी सिमेट्री सही हो, कि मैं ज़्यादा राइट तो नहीं आ रही हूँ, वो ज़्यादा लेफ्ट तो नहीं आ रहा है. ड्रोन
Right.
क्योंकि कैसे कैप्चर कर रहा है. सो ही मेड अस वॉक थ्रू दैट एटलीस्ट 2-3 टाइम्स टिल ही रियली गॉट दैट शॉट राइट.
No, but the good thing about
अच्छा लगता है
the
वो.
good thing about the whole team also, the whole effort was that we did not have to do multiple shots
हाँ.
of the same thing. They knew what they were doing, and I guess we knew what we were doing also. So hence I think that kind of turned out well,
करेक्ट.
you know.
And then finally we reached our fourth already decided location because that is our favorite place, Kasar Kitchen Restaurant. It is just nearby Kasar Devi Temple.
Yes.
अब ये रेस्टोरेंट ऐसा है ना, यहाँ से पूरा हिमालय दिखता है.
Yes, one of our absolutely most favorite places
Yeah.
in that whole valley to chill, spend an evening, sip a drink,
Yeah.
have some
वहाँ
really
की
yummy food.
फूड, अदरक
you
की
know.
चाय, दैट हनी जिंजर
Yeah.
चाय, मतलब हम सारा टाइम वही बैठते रहते.
Yes.
सो हमने राजदा को, उसके ओनर को ये हमेशा कहा था कि यार हमारा कोई भी गाने का एक पोर्शन या फुल गाना हम एटलीस्ट आपके
Yes.
यहाँ जरूर शूट करेंगे.
Yes.
And maybe by the time, you know, we completed the entire shoot, we were hungry, we wanted to drink something.
No, that's the truth. This is the truth.
So, you know, when we reached there, It was nice, like sundowner.
We got some food
Yeah.
for the starters for free. No, I'm just kidding. We paid for it.
Sweet lime. Short में तो sweet lime ही था, and then sundowner था.
हाँ, it was a beautiful sundown.
Beautiful
yes.
sundowner. एंड हाँ वहाँ ना 3 प्यारे कुत्ते हैं, तो हमें वो भी था कि फ्लफी या चार्जर इस शूट में आना चाहिए.
So we are very close to the dogs there also.
Correct.
You know, there are 3 like absolutely gorgeous dogs,
Correct.
and one of them because we go there every year.
हाँ.
Matlab, it's a must to for us is to visit Kasar
Correct.
and spend some really quality time
Time
there.
in nature.
Yes. So we've seen Charger from I think when he was like
This
this
tiny.
small to like he's suddenly like last year when I saw him, I'm like, who's this new guy? Like that's Charger. I'm like, oh my god,
Yeah,
this
fully
guy's
charged.
really grown. Like he's 100% charged.
Correct. So you know that was a
Yes.
nice wrap up,
Yes.
At Kasar Kitchen.
Definitely. Yes.
and that's how Hum Mile came about. The beautiful story of 4 locations.
So the video shoot kind of, you know, summed up really beautifully at Kasar Kitchen. And it rained extremely heavily, and this is really surprising.
हाँ हमारा पूरा शूट खत्म होने के
At
बाद.
the minute we stopped filming.
Correct. Can you believe? Like how
literally,
God
like, you know,
intervenes.
yes, oh yes, I agree with that. Because the minute like we stopped filming and you know, the
The
team's
entire,
like,
हाँ.
yes,
Chalo.
we're good. And we're like, okay, finally, let's eat something, you know, let's have something to eat and drink. It just turned grey and it started pouring like how?
Crazy.
We had to run inside. Literally in like split seconds, we were inside.
Yeah, inside the covered
inside
area
the covered
of the
area,
restaurant.
yes. And we had a great time, you know, filming the whole video.
Correct.
And also I feel like with the audio of Hum Mile, because you know Swapnali and me, we've always loved nature. You know, we love nature on the whole, and we are basically nature birds.
And I think our best music also comes when we are in nature.
Yeah, 100%.
Like your bestest
Yes.
tunes have come
Yes.
there,
Yes.
right?
So just to go on the lyrics also a little bit. So I had written Hum Mile while we were in Delhi, the main idea, the main hook line. And then, you know, I was like wanting to write the rest of the portion when we were in Kasar, right?
And then Divyanshu joined.
हाँ.
Divyansh. Yeah, but actually I was wondering कि ये कैसे लिख रहा है? इसको suddenly एक line ये क्या देखकर आ रही है? But I
Right.
guess, you know, it opens your mind. What I understood is
Yes.
that when you are in nature,
Yes.
when you are seeing so much of expanse, then दिल भी खुलता है, mind भी खुलता है. Maybe, you know, the right words come to you.
आसमां मेरा हुआ रूह को तूने छुआ.
So finally, after this entire shoot got over,
Right.
then when we came back,
Yes.
the production happened, like the final mixing, mastering.
yes.
So what elements you added later?
So basically, we added most of it later only. It was the guitars. So the beats I had already made in while we were there, and you know the drums and stuff was there. Then we ended up coming back, and then we recorded the bass in the studio, and then Nigel came down. So Nigel is, for those of you who don't know, Nigel is a really incredible piano player and a really great musician. So we ended up calling Nigel for the session because I'm like, yeah, I think Nigel will be the right guy for this song. You know, he has the right touch for this.
Yeah, the keys,
you know,
how
the
they
keys, yes.
enter
And even like the intro piece, you know.
beautiful.
Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. So all that was all Nigel's magic on it,
Correct.
you know. So he created that, and the rest obviously like harmonically I had, you know, laid down the chord changes and stuff. So yeah.
But you know, sometimes I wonder because
Yes.
you know, I think I must tell everyone that in our high setup, Rishi does the composition. Matlab he writes the tune, then he does the entire like sound design, arrangement, selection of instruments, you know, all that. How
Yes.
the sound will eventually come together. Then he will sing. Then he mixes, masters. So actually, you are listening to that song at least 400 times.
I'll multiply that at least 3 folds.
Okay, come on. बाप रे, इतना एक ही गाने को सुनते रहना and then
Yes.
he keeps calling me in between कि स्वप्नाली देखो, now the mixing has reached this stage,
Yes.
in this stage. अच्छा,
Yes.
I can't really make out those minute
The
differences,
finer, yes.
like changes or
Yes.
maybe the nuances,
Yes.
but him being the mixing engineer,
Yes.
then I leave that entire job to him.
I'm always like, so I always contemplate before a song, okay, should I give it to a mix engineer? Then I'm like, no. So I have a vision for the song, and I always feel that, yes, if it was, someone who I trusted implicitly with my songs, then I could hand over this creative work to them. But then I think, being a mix engineer, why not be mixing our songs myself? So then I have a much better idea as to, how I recorded it, where I'm seeing the sounds to be in the sound field, how I'm imagining the vocals when I'm writing also, because, a lot of printing of the song actually happens in my head when I'm composing it only.
Correct.
So
correct.
it's not even like people say, oh, mix master के stage में आके समझ में आएगा कि गाना कैसा आ रहा है. I think मेरे को गाना
हाँ,
when
तुम्हें बहुत
I'm
पहले आता है.
composing only, I have a very clear idea as to कि ये मेरे को
Final कहाँ तक
final ये सुनाई
कैसे
दे रहा
दिखाई-
है.
हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है.
As in like visually also in terms of like the audio, I have a very clear idea of like how I want to hear emotionally and connect to the song. And really mixing is a lot about emotion also, Mixing is not just about, the technical aspects, which, a lot of people are misguided, I would say, and also a little lost on the mixing factor. A mix actually truly in its right form emotionally connects you to the song, and every mix is different depending on the genre and the kind of the song
and the
song
feel
is.
that it wants to depict.
Like for a song like this, I felt the vocals, the melody needs to be at the forefront. Now a lot of times where if a second guy or third guy you give it to mix, he'll usually bury the vocals inside the music, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted like the vocals
Vocals
to
to
be,
come out.
yes, I wanted the vocals to be at the forefront. Like you listen to a lot of 70s songs, you listen to a lot of 80s stuff, whether it's Kishore Kumar or whether it's Rafi also or Lata ji, you'll hear the vocals on top. You will not hear the vocals buried inside the music. I mean, of course, there are songs where
We
the
require that kind
where,
of
where the vocals are inside. But for a song like this, you needed that connect to the vocals, because the melody is so beautiful. It's going through so many, ups and downs, that I kind of felt that, yes, the vocals has to be the king in this.
True.
And let's connect to the vocals first, and then build the house around that.
तुमसे कह दिया तुमसे हो गया तू मेरा है ये जान ले.
And basically, I like such stuff because my favorite is reverb. Any singer
Oh
loves
God save me from this reverb business, please.
every singer. मतलब आप देखो ना, आप किसी एको या रिवर्ब सुनने वाली जगह पे जाओगे, कभी बेसमेंट में जाओगे, कभी
Yes.
स्टेप्स पर जाओगे, तो every singer wants to sing because there is a different echo reverb that naturally
Yes.
gets added to it. Now ये particular गाना, इसमें तो पूरा किलो के मात्रा में आप रिवर्ब भर सकते हो because
I
it
would
had that.
rephrase that to tons, not kilos.
इसमें वो बिल्कुल कर सकते थे because the
Yes.
song had that scope.
Yes. So no,
So I was very happy.
so we ended up playing with the. So technically speaking, we ended up playing with a lot of different reverbs in this. So I ended up using just to like give it out now. I ended up using 3 reverbs in this. Not a singular reverb was used, and we had some of the best reverbs. So I used Seventh Heaven, which is a Bricasti reverb. It's based on the M3. It's one of the greatest reverbs yet, which I feel. next to the lexicon. So that we used, and we used a lot of plates, and obviously like with a lot of delays, and we
Correct,
wanted
correct,
that really
correct.
long trailing,
Yeah.
you know,
वो
vocal
linger
sound.
on करता
Yes.
रहे एक line.
So we used a lot of, you know,
Tempo is also a little slow only of this
yes,
song,
yes.
but वो नहीं खटकता.
हाँ, मतलब वो चाहिए ही ऐसा. I think, you know, for a song like this, you want the tempo to be slower, because if it was even a BPM faster, I would feel that you would not be able to connect with it how people are connecting with it right now.
True.
You know, because मेरे लिए एक BPM भी गाने को change कर
सकता है.
You know, so I always feel that कि yes, you know, the BPM was absolutely right, and so were the reverbs.
True. So,
Yes.
you know, I think we really had a great time
Yes, absolutely.
creating this song in the mountains.
I would say, you know, we created this song with a lot of love, with a lot of joy, and with a lot of passion. This song was created. So we would love for you to, you know, enjoy it with your family, with your loved ones, with your partner,
Partner.
you know,
So
and
true.
and really get inside the Hum Mile vibe.
True. Thank you. And
you so
we'll
much.
keep sharing our experiences. The next one is absolutely different. जैसे
You got-
आरजू
gotta be
बहुत
careful
अलग था,
about this.
हम मिले completely अलग vibe है, और the next तीसरा जो गाना है, oh,
So
that's
just to let you in, just to let you guys in, we created High to create good music.
Correct.
You know, for us to get high on really good music. You
Yeah,
know, the
and
music.
there are no
so-
shortcuts.
So, there are no shortcuts, and for the music that has been lost now.
true.
You know, so I kind of feel that we need to, you know, fill that space. High is specifically there to fill that space of good, meaningful music.
Meaningful lyrics,
You know,
meaningful
music. Yes.
soulful melodies.
Yes.
No trashy stuff, no Vahyat
No
language.
trash allowed, man.
No Vahyat language, no, nothing. Like, it's pure.
It's clean.
It's clean.
It's clean.
Yes.
And yet it's very urban. It's very now.
Yeah.
And-
Entertaining.
Yes.
You know, all kinds of emotions. I'm
Yes.
not. We are not saying that okay, we will only create you know, a certain kind of songs.
Yes. So another thing with High, which is really important, is that being in the pop idiom, which we are, and being indie artists, we want to create good music, but yet no genreized music. You know, we want to touch upon all those beautiful emotions that, you know, we go through as humans. You know.
Yeah.
You go through love, you go through heartbreak, you go through, you know, good times,
Yeah,
bad times,
friendships,
fantastic times, friendships, you know,
hopes,
hopes, whatever.
dreams, yeah.
You know, all those emotions, they have to be encapsulated in a tablet, which is called High.
So get high with High. Do listen to our songs, follow us, share, like, subscribe तो नहीं कहूँगी, but
बिल्कुल ही मत कहना. They're very boring and very done to death.
because I think if you really like it, if you really
Yes.
connect with our music, then you will definitely share it, subscribe it, or whatever, right?
She's basically saying, no, don't.
But thank you. Keep loving us, keep blessing us. That's what we live for. Thank you so much.
Thank you.